Question 13. The graphs of the function f of x equals x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared plus 6x minus 1 intersect in the xy coordinate plane. What are the points of intersection? Okay, so we need to put these onto the calculator. Absolutely use your calculator for a question like this. X minus 5, and we had x squared. I believe it was plus 6x. Let's double check that. Plus 6x minus 1. And I see the points of intersection, -1, -6, -4, -9. So on decimals, it's very easy to just click on those points of intersection and see what they are. When you're using an actual graphing calculator, you might want to look at the table. Okay, you might want to look at the table of values and figure out when x, the input, has the same output for y1 and y2. However, I did mention in my class that my honors classes are going to have points of intersections that are not whole numbers. So you're going to have to know how to use the graphing calculator, okay? If you have a graphing calculator in front of you, it's shift trace, because that says calc on top. You go down to the option that says intersect. You kind of just arrow over next to the point you want to intersect with, and the graphing calculator is going to ask you, is this your first curve? And you hit enter. Second curve, enter. Guess, enter. And it gives you the point. And then you do it again. Just make sure that that arrow is like pointing to the other point that you want to find. And that's how you find it. If you want more on that, I'm sure you could look up YouTube videos on how to find point of intersection on a Texas Instrument graphing calculator, and that should help you more. I currently don't have the software to use a real graphing calculator on my computer.